Hi, my name is McKenna. I'm a trainer here at Verve Coffee Roasters. Today we're in Santa Cruz, California at the roastery, and I'm going to teach you how to steam milk. You take your cold milk, you put it into a pitcher, you steam it, introducing heat and foam. Action. Today I'm using a 5-ounce cup, and accounting for the espresso, I want to at least dose myself 4 ounces. So you want to make sure that these air ducts are facing down. When you position your steam wand in your pitcher, you want to make sure that you can see what's going on, so you want it tilted back to you. I like to keep the divot of my pitcher in contact with the steam wand, use it as a gauge to make sure that I'm placed correctly. When I submerge my steam wand, I want to make sure that this piece here is at least halfway submerged. You see that little milk line? So I'm going to submerge it halfway and tilt it over to the side. It's taking my milk and blasting it that way, right, because it's hitting the side of the pitcher, and it's going to send it that way into a nice vortex. So I'm going to go ahead and start my steam wand. I'm going to let some air in. And then when it gets to temperature, you'll bring it down, clean your steam wand. You're grabbing your towel, you're placing your steam wand down into the tray, and then purging. The water is about 260 degrees, so you just want to make sure you don't give somebody third-degree burn, you know what I'm saying? You want your milk to look like white paint. Sometimes you get a few air bubbles, that's gonna be okay. You just tap them on out. This is the sound that you don't want to hear. You gotta bring it down, let some air in. This milk is way too wet. See how it's almost just looking like milk? No foam. Where's the white paint? Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, Instagram hashtag. Love you. Bye.